My Money Mentors explains Banking Budgeting app.
Clothes is the thing of yours, huh? You like clothes.
Yeah, that's where a lot of my money went this summer.
There are so many college graduates that are given these high income paying jobs. A lot of students graduate without the foundational principles when it comes to personal finance.
We want to make sure that as he's coming into new money, he's not just spending all of that money.
I have 5 pairs of dress shoes. But I thought of those as like all investments.
Like percentage wise, of all the money you had, like how much percentage probably went toward clothes? And
I like thinking about it. I don't think I can't tell you what I spent my money on.
Okay, well that's something to think about too.
Because I'm looking at it, I'm like, how much money I made over the summer, it doesn't equate to this.
Okay.
So I think I just spent a lot of money like going out, parties. I've made a lot of money and I've wasted/spent a lot of money too. But if I just had to like give you a quantity or a receipt or something, I could not. Like I have no idea.
Having that mental budget is not a recipe for success. You can guesstimate where your money's going to go, but you need to have that solid budget so you can have that plan for exactly where your money is going.
We live in a society that's built on convenience. So if your budget is not convenient for you, you're not gonna keep up with it. I encourage people to use an automated budgeting tool. Most banks offer an automated budgeting tool, so just log into your online bank and see if you have access to that there. If not, there's always an app.